BioTense pH Toner. BioTense pH Toner is a refreshing, lifting, and alcohol-free organic toner that restores the skin's natural pH balance without drying out the epidermis. It can be used as a second step in your skincare routine and after every step that requires rinsing the skin with water. It is suitable for all skin types, including skin lacking firmness, dehydrated, or sensitive skin. BioTense pH Toner comes in a spray bottle for quick and easy application throughout the day. Advantage number 1: stabilizes the skin's pH. A healthy skin pH is around 5.5 on average, which is slightly acidic. Water has a neutral pH of 7, making it more alkaline than the skin. The simple fact of rinsing your face with water will have destabilizing effects on your natural skin's pH. This is why your skin may feel tight or dehydrated after taking a shower. A quick mist of BioTense pH Toner stabilizes your skin's pH, restoring the optimal balance required for the next step in your skincare routine. Advantage number 2: lifting and tightening effect. BioTense pH Toner offers an immediate lifting and tightening effect for a youthful and glowing skin. It contains a synergy of hydrolyptin polysaccharides and muscle-relaxing Acmilla oleracea that helps relax and smooth facial expressions, reducing the appearance of fine lines and fatigue. Advantage number 3: calming effect. With hawthorn and chamomile extract, BioTense pH Toner is soothing to sensitive skin. It calms and prevents the appearance of redness. It is also ideal for an instant refreshing relief from hot flashes during menopause. BioTense pH Toner can be used as a makeup setting spray to help keep your makeup in place all day. After application of makeup, simply spray a light mist of BioTense pH Toner evenly over the face. Results: skin's pH is perfectly balanced, the skin is immediately fresher and brighter, the signs of fatigue are diminished, the skin is ready for the next skincare steps. How to use it? For daily use after cleansing your face. Spray toner on your face and neck, avoiding your eyes. Massage the skin gently to ensure better penetration of the products.